ever dreamed of going on an African safari, you've probably imagined wide open plains, golden grasslands, and animals roaming freely in the wild. Africa is indeed home to some of the most extraordinary wildlife on earth. From powerful predators to gentle giants, the continent's national parks and reserves offer encounters you simply can't experience anywhere else. So here are 10 incredible wild animals you are likely to see on an African safari. Number 1. African elephant. The African elephant is the largest land animal on earth. Some males weigh more than 6,000 kilograms. You'll often see them moving slowly across the savannah in family groups led by an older female called the matriarch. Elephants are surprisingly gentle and highly intelligent with strong family bonds. Seeing a herd walking across the plains is one of the most unforgettable safari moments. Number 2. Lion. The lion is often called the king of the savannah. Unlike most big cats, lions live in social groups called prides. You'll usually find them resting under trees during the day, conserving energy for hunts that happen mostly at night. Spotting a lion stretched out in the shade is a classic safari sight. Number 3. Leopard. Leopards are the most elusive of Africa's big cats. They are incredibly strong and skilled climbers. Often, after making a kill, a leopard will drag its prey up into a tree to keep it away from other predators. Because they are solitary and well camouflaged, spotting one in the wild feels like a special reward. Number 4. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on earth. It can reach speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour during a chase. Unlike lions and leopards, cheetahs hunt mostly during the day, which makes them slightly easier to observe on a safari. Their slender bodies and distinctive black tear marks make them instantly recognizable. Number 5. Giraffe. With its long neck and elegant walk, the giraffe is one of Africa's most iconic animals. Giraffes can grow over 5 meters tall. Their height allows them to reach leaves high up in acacia trees that other animals cannot access. Watching a giraffe stroll across the horizon is one of the most graceful sights in the African wilderness. Number 6. Zebra. At first glance, zebras may look just like striped horses, but their bold black and white stripes actually serve several purposes. They help confuse predators when the herd runs together and may even deter biting insects. Zebras are highly social animals and often travel in large groups across the plains. Number 7. African buffalo. The African buffalo may not look dramatic, but it's one of the most powerful animals in Africa. These massive animals often move in herds that can number in the hundreds. Despite their calm appearance, buffaloes can be extremely dangerous if threatened. They are one of the famous big 5 animals that safari goers hope to see. Number 8. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus spends most of its day in water. Hippos gather in rivers and lakes to stay cool under the African sun. At night, they come out onto land to graze on grass. Although they appear slow and relaxed, hippos are actually responsible for more human injuries in Africa than many predators. Number 9. Hyena. Hyenas are often misunderstood. While they are famous as scavengers, they are actually skilled hunters as well. Spotted hyenas live in large social groups called clans with complex social hierarchies. Their haunting calls at night are one of the most distinctive sounds of the African wilderness. Number 10. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is one of Africa's most powerful animals. There are 2 main species in Africa, the white rhino and the black rhino. Sadly, rhinos are also amongst the most endangered animals due to poaching. Many national parks now protect them carefully. Seeing one in the wild is both thrilling and deeply moving. An African safari isn't just about seeing animals, it's about experiencing an entire ecosystem, vast landscapes where wildlife still moves freely. From lions resting under acacia trees to elephants crossing dusty plains, every encounter feels unforgettable. And once you've seen these animals in the wild, you understand why Africa remains one of the greatest wildlife destinations on earth.